Hello everyone, welcome back to Review Clicks. TikTok Cashbot takes just 2 minutes to activate. Can you spare a mere 2 minutes of your time? If that's the case, then I have wonderful news for you. That's all the time you need to activate TikTok Cashbot. Once you've done that, you can begin uploading done-for-you videos from any device of your choice. Take a look at all the reasons why TikTok Cashbot benefits you. Beginner-friendly system. Whether you have 2 years of experience or 2 weeks, it doesn't matter. TikTok Cashbot gives you everything you need to start getting results from scratch. Works anywhere in the world. As long as you have a computer and internet connection, you can tap into the $75 billion plus TikTok algorithm. Whether you're in Kenya, India, USA, Mexico, or anywhere else, it doesn't matter. Just a few clicks to activate. This is something so easy even a 10-year-old could do it. Because it takes just a few clicks to activate TikTok Cashbot. 100% legal to do. We're practically forcing TikTok to pay us hundreds per hour, whether they like it or not. And it's 100% legal to do. Zero expenses required. There aren't any hidden fees or strings attached. No buying expensive equipment. None of that crap. We give you everything you need. You don't need to purchase any upsells to make this work. Everything is included inside of TikTok Cashbot. Works on any device you want. Our application works on the internet, therefore it works on any device that's connected online. This includes Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, or any other phone or tablet that can connect online. You're receiving everything you need with TikTok Cashbot. 100% brand new TikTok Cashbot system. You're getting the brand new TikTok Cashbot system that we're using to receive $25-50 every time we upload a video on TikTok. TikTok Cashbot upload monetization technology. This is the most important part of TikTok Cashbot. It's the key component that allows us to make money by uploading done-for-you videos on TikTok. TikTok Cashbot Mobile Edition. This will allow you to also operate TikTok Cashbot, even from your mobile phone. Whether it's an Android, iPhone, or tablet, it will work. TikTok Cashbot step-by-step training videos. In the unlikely event where you have trouble setting anything up, we have a series of step-by-step training videos that give you detailed instructions from A to Z. And the value doesn't end there. If you act now, you'll also get $1,000 single quotes worth of free bonuses for TikTok Cashbot. $500 per day playing games. In this video tutorial, I'm going to expose to you a special website that's paying us up to $500 per day for playing games. $300 daily by copy and pasting. Photos. You're going to see how we're making up to $300 daily 100% legally by copying and pasting photos. $800 in 1 hour with Google Chrome. Do you have the Google Chrome browser? If yes, then you're going to love this bonus where I show you how we're able to earn up to $800 in just 1 hour. $400 per day with WhatsApp. Instead of wasting time on WhatsApp with your friends, what if you can use it in a positive way? Well, we're making up to $400 per day with WhatsApp, and we're going to show you exactly how it's done in this bonus. Special bonus. First 200 action takers unlock access to TikTok Cashbot Profit Multiplier Upgrade. Did you think I was going to stop there?